Hello guys, in this video we are discussing about how we can create a best readme file for our GitHub repo. So you can see here in the screen, I share my screen. So guys, this is the readme file that are created by me with the help of a readme generator. So we can create this type of readme file in just seconds. So how we can create this? So in the description, I provide you a link of the GitHub repository. Okay. So after that, guys, after the clicking on this, you find out this type of page, and here you can generate your readme file. Like first of all, you can enter your name, then subtitles about your front end or back end developer according to it. Then some project I mentioned, I provide some links only here. After that, how to reach me, and after that you can mention your skill that you know very well. Like I am mentioning here Java and JavaScript. So after it, you can see here there are front end development that you want to choose. You can choose, like I am choosing here HTML, CSS and something, and backend development and mobile apps and databases that you want to add MongoDB, MySQL. Then after some section are present here, then some software are here. So you can choose that you know that you have knowledge about it. After that, some social media handles are given here that you can simply provide the link of your social media accounts. After that, guys, there are some add-ons that you want to add on, like GitHub trophies, visitor count base, that are mentioning in our page that how many visitors are in come on our readme page, means our profile. So after that, I select the all. So you can see here, simply generate readme. On a single click, you can generate the whole code of this readme file. So one thing, when you create a new repository in this, like I am creating with the help of plus sign, new repository. So the repository name must be same that you have your username. Like my username is Hoshiyar Jyani. So the readme file name is also Hoshiyar Jyani, same. Okay. When the name is same, at that time, this is show in our overview section. After that, you can change with the help of this pencil symbol. And like if you want to change any images, then image link is here, and you simply copy paste from the Google and paste. Then after it, you select the picture that you want at this place. So this is all about the GitHub README file. Hope this video is useful for you. If you are new in the channel, you can subscribe for the upcoming DSA related videos and JavaScript related videos. So thank you so much guys. मिलते हैं किसी न्यू वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.